When you think about reliability, one name has been trusted for decades, the Suzuki Mehran. A car that became more than just a vehicle. It became a part of our families, a companion on every journey, and a symbol of trust passed down from one generation to the next. From the very first drive, the Suzuki Mehran delivers what really matters. It doesn't need to impress with unnecessary features. It proves its worth through performance, affordability, and unmatched durability. Whether you're heading to work, picking up your children, or planning a spontaneous road trip with friends, the Mehran is always ready. You don't have to worry about complicated technology. Every button, every switch, every dial in the Mehran is simple, practical, and reliable. It's designed to do what it's meant to do, get you from point A to point B with comfort, ease, and low maintenance. In a world full of distractions, Suzuki Mehran brings you back to the essence of driving. Over the years, it has become the heart of countless stories. From a young student buying their first car to a father handing over the keys to his son, Mehran has been there, quietly witnessing every milestone. Its compact size makes it perfect for narrow streets and busy roads, while its strong engine takes on highways with confidence. Fuel efficiency is where the Mehran stands out, making it a smart choice for those who count every liter. Mechanics across the country know it by heart. Parts are affordable and available in every corner of the nation. You're never too far from help, never too far from a solution. It's a car for the people, designed for the real roads, for real lives. It doesn't boast. It doesn't compete. It just continues to run, year after year, generation after generation. For those who value honesty, simplicity, and trust, the Suzuki Mehran isn't just a car. It's a legacy. Choose the car that chose you long ago. Choose simplicity over show. Choose strength over style. Choose Suzuki Mehran, the car that never quits.